right, I've got a series of questions here. Each different question's in a different color. So the first question says, if the first term of an arithmetic sequence is 85 and the difference is 5, find the formula for t sub n and find the sixth term. So remember that the formula for an arithmetic sequence is t sub n is equal to t sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So the formula for t sub n would be t sub n is equal to t sub 1, which is 85, plus n minus 1 times negative 5. Then you just do a little bit of algebra. So you go 85. You have to distribute the negative 5, so it'd be negative 5n plus 5. So t sub n is equal to 85 plus 5 is 90 minus 5n. So t sub n is 90 minus 5n. The next question they ask is, they said, what is the sixth term? Well, t sub 6 would be equal to 90 minus 5 times 6. The 6 is your n here, so you just plug it in. So the sixth term would be equal to 90 minus 30, and 90 minus 30 is 60. So there we go, t sub 6 is equal to 60. We've solved our problem. Let's look at the next one. It says, find the 12th term of the arithmetic sequence negative 8, negative 4, 0, 4, etc. Okay, so once again, quick reminder, for an arithmetic sequence, t sub n is equal to t sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So to find the, and you can tell here, apparently to get from one term to the next, they're adding 4. Plus 4, plus 4. So in this problem, we know that d is equal to positive 4. So to find the 12th term, you go t sub 12 is equal to, you're still going to use this formula here, we just know what n is. T sub 1, which is negative 8, plus n minus 1, n is 12 now, so 12 minus 1 times d, which is 4, so it'll really be negative 8 plus 12 minus 1 is 11 times 4, or the 12th term is equal to negative 8 plus 44, and what does that come out to be? 36, I think? I believe so. So you'd say t sub 12 is equal to 36. Okay, they ask us to find the 12th term, so that's t sub 12. All right, let's do our next one here. It says, find the sum. And they gave us sigma notation, okay? So this is find the sum of 2 times 3 to the k as k goes from 1 to 5. And all they want you to do is just to write it out and add it together. So first you let k be 1, so that's 2 times 3 to the first, plus, when k is 2, it'll be 2 times 3 to the second. When k is 3, it's 2 times 3 to the third. When k is 4, it's 2 times 3 to the fourth. And let me scoot it in a smidge. Then for the next one, it would be 2 times 3 to the fifth. Let me see if you can see all that on my screen. I think it's good. All right. And you might say, what do I do then? Well, you just get out your calculator and you manually add them together. It's okay. So you could just say 2 times 3 plus 2 times 3 squared plus 2 times 3 raised to the third plus 2 times 3 raised to the fourth plus 2 times 3 raised to the fifth. Let me make sure I have it all typed in right. 2 times 3 squared, 2 times 3 to the third, 2 times 3 to the fourth. I think we did it correctly. And so the answer that I get is, this is equal to 726. So that would be your answer. So how did I do it? I looked at the problem to start with. K goes from 1 to 5. So do you notice I have 5 terms? This is when k is 1, this is when k is 2, this is when k is 3, This is 1k is 4. This is 1k is 5. Remember the k part is the exponent in our problem. But there's the formula. So I just write them out, and then I just did it in my calculator to find the sum. All right, more problems down.